Hello and welcome to Jeff's Pianist Academy. Sometimes it can be challenging to find new pieces that fit your current skill level. Today, I will share 3 beautiful compositions that are approachable but still offer a bit of a challenge. I'll also explain why I think these pieces are great for your level and how they can help you to grow as a piano player. So let's dive in. Franz Schubert Waltz in B minor. So why is it easy to play? This waltz has a very clear structure and harmony, and it's easy to remember. The left hand has a simple classic waltz accompaniment and pattern, which is great for practicing coordination and timing without too much complexity. For the first time, a little bit different, and then again. So it's so easy to memorize, and the melody is not difficult either. Schubert's style is lyrical and charming, and even if this piece is simple, it's really rewarding to play and it sounds lovely. Debussy, la fille aux cheveux de lin. The tempo and the rhythm keeps things manageable, allowing you to focus on tone and color. The only problem that I see in this piece for the beginners is a lot of flats. You have to get used to the tonality, you have to get used to play C flat instead of C. But rather than this, it is very pleasant for the hands, so it fits your hands, and all the chords are super easy to play. Debussy plays the titles of his preludes at the end rather than the beginning. He wanted listeners to experience the music freely without preconceived ideas. The title was like a final hint, adding depth and the experience after the music had already spoken. The most important reason, in my opinion, to play this piece is that it introduced you to the impressionistic style without complex chords or fast passages, but it still gives you the chance to learn how to play Debussy. Erik Satie, Gnossienne number 1. So why is this piece a good fit for the beginners? First of all, it's the tempo. It's a real slow tempo that helps you focus on the expression and gives you enough time to find the jumps in the left hand. So this is always bass and this chord. A fantastic exercise for you, because you need this jump chord a lot of times in different waltzes. But here, it's the same for most of this piece, yeah. And you can even play it slowly. So there is no stress finding the chord after this bass. The minimalist style with its gentle melody and open harmony allows you to enjoy each note without getting bogged down in complex textures. The piece has a haunting, almost meditative quality that's great for adult learners who want something a little more introspective and atmospheric. These three compositions by Schubert, Debussy and Satie are wonderful choices for early, intermediate and motivated beginner level. They're technically not beginner pieces, but they're simple enough to master them with consistent practice, of course. And they're both easy to play and very beautiful and expressive. If you're interested in other pieces, we have also some tutorials on Chopin waltzes and some easy Schumann pieces, Schubert. So please take a look, and I'm sure you will find something very interesting for you. There is also a great video about Baroque compositions, everything but not Bach. So maybe you will find another piece for your new program in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next video.